Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your cursor inside of Osu. So without any further talking, let's get ahead and open Osu and then click and on this circle and then go ahead and open options. After doing so, this long options tree will open to you, but all what matters for us is the scan or the cursor option, which will be located in the fifth option in here. I did another video about like cursor speed and scan. If you are interested, please go make sure to watch them after this video. You will find this in my channel. So now here is the scan. For example, let's go back to the default scan, as you can see, and this is the cursor that you will get at the beginning of the game. Most of the people don't know that they can change it or like change the whole scan itself, and they keep playing with this cursor and maybe they stuck in the low difficulty maps. And trust me guys, the scan of the cursor will really help you a lot during this game. So please make sure that you will pick your like the best cursor for yourself. For example, now let's go ahead and look at the cursor stuff. From here you can choose the cursor size and stuff like that, and you can edit a lot of stuff, but we are now concentrated on changing the scan itself. So how can you do it? You can just change it from your current scan. For example, if you have any scan, it will be changed by clicking on these, but if you don't have anyone, please make sure to like open your browser and then click on also scans. And from here we can click on the first one, which is also scans.net, and for example let's download this one, and after a couple seconds you can drag it right into your gameplay, and just like that your cursor has been changed. Even the game itself it will be changed. So stuff like that will really help you inside the game. So make sure to do stuff like that, like changing this game from time to time to improve your gameplay and to find your best skin for your performance. So yeah guys, that was the tutorial for today. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thanks for watching.